for Kids TV.
English spelling word game. How to play. On each slide, you will see a new picture and some scramble letter. Use the scramble letter to guess and spell the name of the object that you see in the picture. Use the letter to spell the word. And the answer is sun. Use the letter to spell the word. You can do it. And the answer is tree. Use the letter to spell the word. You can see it in the picture too. And the answer is kite. Good job. Use the letter to spell the word. Take your time. And the answer is bicycle. Use the letters to spell the word. You can see it in the picture. And the word is rocket. Use the letter to spell the word. And the word is flowers. Use the letter to spell the word. Take your time and take it easy. Arrange the words. And the word is crescent. It's really easy. Just arrange it. And the word is pencil. Guess that word too. And the word is airplane. Use the letter to spell the word. You can do it. And the word is balloon. Now, the word is world. Now it's time to add up your score so you can see how much you learned. Thank you. Hope you had fun playing this game. Like, share, and subscribe for more.